We'll discuss about mutable and immutable data types. Okay, so first of all, what is the meaning of mutable? Mutable means change, which we can change. Okay, mutable means change. And the best example of mutable in programming language is you can write list. Okay, and immutable means which we cannot change. Okay, and the most popular and most important example of this is string. Okay, now let's revise it. Mutable means which we can change, and the example of this in programming language is list, and the immutable data types are those which we can not change. Okay, and the example is string. Okay, now for I am having one chart to show you which data type is mutable and which data type is immutable. You can take the screenshot of these mutable and immutable data types. Now today we will discuss some programs of these mutable and immutable data types. Okay, not possible to explain all the programs. I will discuss the rest of the programs in next video. Okay, so today we will discuss some programs. First program is how to print a string in Python. Okay, you can see first of all this program. First string is this one is first string, and it is stored in string 1, and second string in string 2, and third string in string 3. And with the help of print command we are printing in string 1. This will print the next string in new line. Okay, this slash n will print the next string in new line. Okay, then string 2 will be printed, then in next line string 3 will be printed. You can see the output. Okay, this is the output. First this will be printed, then this. Okay, now next program is traversing a string. Traversing a string means traversing a string, you can say accessing a string. Now in this example you can also understand the how for loop work. Okay, now see str is equal to, here is written Python for I in str. In means is equal to I, first value of I will be p. Okay, then print p will be printed with the help of this, space will be included. Okay, now next y will be printed. Okay, then space, then t will be printed, then space, and you can see the output. Okay, this will be printed like that. Okay, now next program is for list. For list you can see the first program, traversing a list. Okay, traversing a list. Okay, now you can see this is the list. And here one more thing, you can see the brackets. In list always we will use these brackets. Okay, and here is the variable in which this list is stored. Okay, now you can see here is one string, number of lists are. Okay, now for I in num, now this all list is under num variable. For I, print I, sorry. Now you can see first 4 will be printed, then space, and so on. Let's see the output. Okay, now see list elements are, because it's a string, this will be printed as it is. Now the rest of with the help of and including the space and printed as it is on the output screen. Thank you so much for watching. Try these programs. Okay, thank you. We'll discuss about mutable and